Hi everyone, I've been wanting an iPad with a larger screen for a while now, so I bought a 13-inch iPad Air with M3 chip along with the Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil Pro. Let's have a look. These two are actually still fully closed, but the iPad has already been opened by the store. The reason is because they put a screen protector and that's it. So I haven't set it up at all. It's really just still new for me as well. So let's have a look. As you can see, the screen protector has a cutout along the long edge of the iPad because the camera is placed there in landscape, similar to a laptop when attached to the keyboard. Now this is new for me, at least, coming from my previous iPad. So it has the camera here, the Apple logo in like a vertical portrait position, and the smart connector here so we can connect this easily to the Magic Keyboard. And also the sides are very beautiful here, light blue, which will be visible when putting it, when docking it here to the Magic Keyboard, so I'll still be able to enjoy it. And over here we have the power button, which is also used for Touch ID, and on this side we have the volume keys. Okay, and on top we have, of course, the place where the Pencil Pro will be charged. What else is in the box? So we have a cable. So there's no power adapter in my box. We do have this nice braided cable. All right. New with this design is that there's a function row over here. So that's something that I'm really glad they added. And here we have the USB-C port for charging the iPad. So it's a rectangular trackpad like this, and it physically clicks also. So if I were to click here on the keyboard, or the trackpad I mean, it physically clicks. But personally, I'll just recommend you to go to the store so you can see the actual dimensions and size of this Magic Keyboard and of the trackpad. Okay, so I'll just show you here on the sides here. So if you're viewing it from an angle, let's say you're viewing it from the side, you'll still see the nice light blue finish. Okay, I really like this color. I usually take the space gray version to keep it neutral, but I'm really happy that I took the blue one this time. Oh cool, this is how it looks with the camera cutout. Light blue. And we have now the Apple Pencil Pro. Let's just open this up. Again, documentation about the Apple Pencil. And here you have the pencil itself. So there we go. Anyway, let's first set up the iPad. It's very exciting to turn on an iPad for the first time. It's now suggesting to transfer apps and data from my older iPad. But in this case, I'm choosing not to transfer anything, so I'll start with a clean slate. It's just a personal choice that I want right now. But you could also transfer from an Android device, from a Mac or PC, from another iPad, or from a backup that is currently in your iCloud. Okay, welcome to iPad. So three features that are new to me here in the Apple Pencil Pro are the squeeze feature, the hover feature, and the barrel roll feature. So if I squeeze my Apple Pencil, then this menu will appear on the place where I'm hovering my pencil. By the way, I also get haptic feedback, so it feels like I'm actually clicking my Apple Pencil. The double tap feature also still exists, which lets me switch between my eraser and the tool that I'm currently using. But you can customize that. Go to settings. And over here we have the two actions, squeeze and double tap. Squeeze is right now set to show tool palette, which you can customize to something else you want. Even shortcut is something that is interesting, or could be interesting, depending on what you're going to use this for. And the double tap feature is here as well. That way you can also adjust to your liking. One more nice touch is that it shows the actual tool that you're using as a shadow. You can definitely see it here in the screen recording. If I switch now to the eraser, it has a different shadow, or the pen. That's even nicer. Look, there's even that hole that you have in a pen. That hole also rotates according to how I'm rotating my pen. And this also brings us to one more feature, which is the new barrel roll feature. So depending on how you're holding your pencil and how you're rotating it, you can also rotate the tool. So I'm really glad I got this larger iPad. I'm looking forward to using this as my daily driver from now on. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.